Previously on Gifted Garage. Still run. So,
one eternity later.
So, it's like 2 days later now. Finally got a minute while I'm watching paint dry for work to take a look at the car. The amount of dirt and mud on this thing. I pulled the plugs just because they all seem to be okay. Number 8 in the back looks a little rich. But you gotta remember, I decapped 8 injectors myself and threw them back in. They're not flow matched or anything. So the fact that it's been running this long without blowing up on a tune I did myself for the first time using HP tuners ever. It's been doing great. I'm probably definitely just gonna throw a new set of plugs in it and send it. Cleetus and cars. At least this one's close to home. Stafford, Connecticut. It's like an hour and a half from here. So, July 20th, Saturday's the Burnouts. I'll be there. If you're in the New England area, you should be there. So, I guess I'm rebuilding the turbo kit today. Because it's not good. I mean, if I could just like coat hanger, hook and yank that out, because that side already cleared out and went through the turbo. So if I could just clear that out. I did get some bellows style guys without the mesh inside. It's actually like a slip coupler kind of deal. But then I gotta like cut the weld, like grind the welds out because they're exactly the same length. So getting it clean and able to fit, we gotta do something. We got like a week and a half till Cleetus and cars. So I guess I need to try and leave this in place, cut those out, and hopefully fit the new ones in and tack them, which isn't gonna work because I'm gonna have to take these out to clean all the weld off and everything, but let's give it a shot. I'm try and cut it short first. Torch my ass. Essentially, this is the same thing, and it's fine as long as all that mesh isn't in there, but there's a 2.5 inch pipe in there, but I gotta like cut that weld and slide that off to do it. Wondering if I can just and just call it done. So now I want to try and get this weld separated so that I can slip the thing on. Are there to this thing? Perfect. Now I just gotta do the other side. The other side of this, and then twice. So the other side, then the other side, plus the other side. Damn it. Harbor Freight bandsaw is a piece of junk, and this stuff's uncuttable. Now I got all my ends cleaned up. Where these flange on there should be relatively close to where they gotta be on these. So I'm going to tack these, bolt them back on the car, fit the other piece to make sure that they're clocked right, tack it, pull it all off, weld it. And these are directional as far as which way these sleeve together for the flow. You don't want it flowing to catch that edge. See if we're even close. Kinda, sorta. Okay. Okay. Kinda where that's supposed to go, I guess. This one's a little tough. Just need to jam something up under here. Always make sure you lay under the stuff you're welding. ugly, but we don't care. I guess while this is all open, I should swap out that thermostat housing. Big difference in the lip. All right. Now, we're just going to smear some copper on those header flanges and hope it all goes back together. Just butter this up. I guess I should have buttered up both sides. Just already checked in here again. There didn't look like there was any debris in it. It's hot, so we're gonna take a quick detour and come back to this. All right, had a nice refreshing jump in the pool. Get some water in this thing. And make sure it still runs. All right. Cold revs. I've been ignoring that wobbling balancer bolt forever. So it still runs, and that's probably it. I mean, I might, you know, clean some of the mud off this thing before Cleetus and Cars, but we're just gonna show up and send it, like always, and try and drive home. So that's it for this episode of Gifted Garage, where Gift did more stuff with a NASCAR. I need to, you know, Cleetus and Cars, and then I gotta start working on other stuff. I got other stuff I want to do. It's just been this car, this car, this car, and more of this car. I want to do some other stuff. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, maybe. Hit the like button, leave a comment. It's free. See ya.